In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Gmail IMAP in Outlook, ensuring that your email experience is both seamless and efficient. We'll guide you through each step with clarity so you can manage your Gmail emails directly from Outlook without any hiccup. First off, let's dive into Gmail itself. Go ahead and open your Gmail account. You can do this by navigating to Gmail's website in your preferred web browser and logging in with your credentials if you're not logged in already. Once you've logged in, take a moment to glance at the upper right corner of your Gmail page. You'll find an icon that resembles a small gear. This is where all your settings are nestled. So, click on that gear icon to access the Quick Settings menu. Once the menu is visible, you'll want to select the option labeled See All Settings. Clicking this will lead you to a comprehensive view of all the settings available within Gmail. Think of this as your control center, where you can fine-tune how Gmail works for you. Now you'll want to direct your attention to the top of this settings page, particularly the tabs lined up horizontally. Among these tabs, click on the one labeled Forwarding and Pop Wadish IMAP. This tab is where you'll manage the way Gmail interacts with external email clients like Outlook. In the Forwarding and Pop Wadish IMAP section, scan down to find the section titled IMAP Access. This is crucial because enabling IMAP is what allows Outlook to communicate with Gmail. Once you find it, there's a straightforward option marked Enable IMAP. Click on this to select it. Enabling IMAP essentially opens the door for Outlook to fetch your Gmail email messages while keeping everything synced across devices. After making sure that the Enable IMAP box is ticked, scroll down just a bit to find the Save Changes button at the very bottom. Clicking Save Changes is the essential final step. It confirms and applies your new settings. Once the changes are saved, you're ready to enjoy the improved functionality and convenience of accessing Gmail through Outlook. And there you have it. Your Gmail account is now set up to work seamlessly with Outlook using the IMAP protocol. This setup not only lets you read and respond to your emails from a familiar interface, but also keeps all your devices in sync by reflecting any changes you make across the board. Remember, enabling IMAP is about creating a more flexible, fluid communication experience. So whether you're switching between devices or just prefer using Outlook, your emails will always be at your fingertips. Thank you for tuning in, and feel free to comment below with any questions or experiences you'd like to share. Happy emailing!